Hi, I'm Megan from the Potomac Bead Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make an illusion necklace. So for this project I have a piece of illusion cord here. This is Beadalon Supple Max. You can also use fishing line, or you could use regular beading wire, but it will show up as you make your project. But it will still give you the same effect. I have picked out some cubic zirconia beads here and placed them out on my bead board. I'm placing one every inch on my necklace. And then I have some small 1x1 crimp tubes here, which is what I will use to keep my beads in place. If you have larger hold beads, you may want to use 2x2 crimp tubes, but know that they will be more obvious as you make your necklace. So I'm going to start off by putting a crimp tube on my cord, and I'm going to leave myself a couple of inches for the tail so that it will be easier to finish my necklace when I get to that point. And I'm just going to go ahead and crimp it. Then I'm going to put on my first bead and slide it down to my crimp. And then I'm going to slide on another 1x1 crimp and put it up against my bead and crimp it. And you can see that this bead isn't going anywhere. And I'm going to continue to do that for all of these beads on my cord. And then once I finish that, I'll show you how to finish the necklace. One thing that can be tricky with this necklace is figuring out the spacing between the beads. So typically what I do is I will leave my necklace on the bead board as I make it, and I will slide a crimp on and then gently grab it with my pliers so that I can move it to where I feel like it needs to be and then crimp it. You want to keep in mind that you don't want to go to exactly where your bead is, because then that will push your bead further back. So you want to crimp it just before the area where you want the bead to sit. And then you can pick up your thread and put your bead on and crimp the other side of it. Now that I have all the beads on my illusion cord, I'm going to go show you how to finish it. One thing you want to consider when doing this necklace is you want to use the thickest illusion cord that will fit through the holes of your beads, because if you use regular crimps, sometimes it can cut through the cord as you're making it. Then you'll have to start your necklace from scratch. So all I'm doing here is I'm placing on a knot cover onto my illusion cord and then a regular 2x2 crimp bead. And I'm going to place the crimp bead wherever I want the finding to sit and go ahead and crimp it. And then I'm going to cut off the extra illusion cord. I'm going to bring my knot cover up and close it over that crimp bead. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. So all I'm going to do to finish this necklace is I'm going to place a knot cover down onto my necklace, place a regular 2x2 crimp bead, I'm going to crimp it wherever I want my finding to sit. And then I'm going to bring my knot cover up, trim the illusion cord, and close the knot cover to cover the crimp. And then from here, you can attach whatever kind of finding you'd like. And there you have your illusion necklace. Thank you for watching. Feel free to visit our website, www.thebeadco.com, to get any materials you might need for this project.